What is a primary advantage of utilizing a Python virtual environment? Option A, to avoid package version incompatibilities between separate applications. Option B, to reduce overall storage requirements on the system. Option C, to make local modules accessible to the entire operating system. Option D, to ensure every project shares the exact same library dependencies.
When working with Python, developers often build multiple applications simultaneously. These applications might rely on external packages or libraries that evolve over time. The question here focuses on understanding the core purpose behind isolating these project workspaces and why developers choose to separate their project dependencies rather than installing everything globally.
In my view, the correct answer is option A. A Python virtual environment allows developers to manage separate package installations for different projects. This successfully prevents version conflicts when two different projects rely on conflicting versions of the exact same library.
Option B is incorrect because virtual environments create isolated folder structures, which actually increase disk space usage slightly rather than reducing it. Option C is incorrect because packages installed inside a virtual environment remain isolated and are not made available system-wide. Finally, option D is incorrect because the primary goal of a virtual environment is to isolate projects, not to enforce a single consistent environment across all of them.